Let me show you the steps that you need in order to link a bank account with Robinhood. If you're trying to start investing from Robinhood, you'll need to add in deposits. So to add in deposits, you'll need to either add in or link your bank account or link your debit card. Once you open up the app of Robinhood, in order to link a bank account, you'll need to head over to the person icon, which is on the bottom right of the screen. So just tap on this option. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the menu section where you'll find a bunch of different options. In order to link your bank, just tap on the transfer option, which you'll see on the third. Once you tap on the transfer option, you can see various methods of transferring money into or from your account of Robinhood. In order to link a bank, just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Now once you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see the option called linked accounts. Just tap on the linked account option and you'll have two options, which is the debit card and the bank account option. If you choose to deposit using your debit card or link your debit card, you can tap on the debit card option and then fill in your debit card information such as your card number and your security code. This is going to have a deposit limit of $1,000 per day, and this transaction is going to be instant. But if you choose to do it from your bank account, tap on the bank account option, which does not have any limit, but it's going to take 4 to 5 business days for the transaction to happen and the transactions or the money to be deposited into your Robinhood. So if you choose the bank account option, you will need to log in to your online banking of the bank account that you have, and your debit card or your bank account will be successfully linked with the Robinhood. So that's all there is to link a bank account inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.